EVIT students and staff. My name is Alyssa from 87 The Pulse and a student in the radio audio production program. And these are the daily announcements from...
Hi, good morning. Good morning.
Hi everyone, I'm Jason Ritchie. Welcome to the Pulse Sports Connection.
Hey guys, welcome back. It's the Dueling Coaches podcast.
And the rest of the day you can use on lab.
Close it, reverse it.
The whole face, the coloration is good.
Clear.
Hit.
Three steps back, hands high in the air.
Feed your elastic in, close it all up, and there you go. I'm gonna go ahead and close this up.
Okay, we're good here.
Chandler this side, Gilbert that side.
That is it for today. Have a fantastic weekend. We'll see everybody back here on Monday.